There you go. There's the streets of Pismo. As you can see, it's got choke people. Pretty crowded. It's just a really cool vibe you're getting here at Pismo Beach. Cool cars, cool people, cool dogs. And I got the one wheel. We're cruising on the one wheel, which, Jesus, come on now. Check out these babies. Let's check out these lowriders, man. On fucking wheel, I'm gonna tape it. She goes. This is so unreal cool. Look at the gold. Look at the gold. Oh, sorry.
We need that video,
What?
if you don't mind.
No, it's Instagram. It'll be on Instagram. Huh?
Nice.
Pretty cool, man. You guys got some bitchin' cars. Look at that thing. Holy crap. This thing is like off the ground. Unreal.
Having the hydraulics all over
That's unbelievable. Anyway, I think this is pretty cool. Look at this truck. It's actually off the ground. Look at that Chevy. It's off the ground.
That's how you change the tire.
Unreal. That's a bit badass.
I saw a picture of that car before.
That's a lot of fucking gold. Anyway, let's go cruising more.